Sheesh. Today we're hitting a car meet today. I just washed the car like 2 days ago. Alright guys, like I was saying before my camera died, I just got my car washed the other day, but it's raining and stuff, so that's unfortunate. But we're gonna be hitting a Cars and Coffee today. It's a JDM style meet. Right now I'm getting some coffee right here at the corner spot. So me and the homie are meet up right here. Then we're gonna meet up with some other homies at the gas station. It's like a Supra, a Evo, and some other cars. But the meet we're going to, the JDM meet. But yeah, let's check it out. Oh, there's that food right there. Clean Cobra. Hey, nice. Packed already. Stupid pack. Some nice ass cars though. Damn, bro, is that a GTR R34? That thing's clean. The wide body S2K. Damn. Another GTR. CTSV, that's sick. That Honda's clean. I don't know shit about Hondas, but they look clean. It's a pretty cool meet. I haven't been to a cool meet like this in a while. Hey bro, the GTR? What am I looking at? What is this, bro? I don't know nothing about it.
This is my 1992 R32 RB26 twin turbo.
Wide body Supra. Damn, bro. This shit's sick. I'll get this any day.
Yeah. What is it?
Huh? Yeah, Supra.
You know, I wasn't even looking at.
You're just looking at the engine.
Yeah, I was looking at the engine.
That shit's sick. Somebody has money. They got turbo. That shit's bigger in my hand, bro.
What is that? Is that a funnel?
I think it's a funnel for more airflow or something. I don't know. It looks like it. That thing's sick though.
Show everyone around. Oh, that's it.
Don't be shy.
Bro, this thing's sick. Bro, yeah, midnight purple, I think clean, right hand drive. Too many people recording or taking pictures in the way. Huh? Right hand drive. This is nice. Respect. Bro, we got an NSX, R34, Nismo, a Supra, a GT3. Bro, this is crazy. Right hand drive too. This is all the same guy. He owns all these. That's crazy.
I know he wasn't gonna come to this.
This thing is super clean, mint. Carbon fenders, hood. Damn, bro. This one's clean too, bro. Oh, with the carbon hood. Holy shit. Right hand drive. I think this is paint also.
Building parts. We build parts for the
Porsche.
the Gen 1.
Damn, bro, sick JDM collection right there. Dude, it's just sick. You don't see all these RWBs. Shit is wide, bro. It don't even fit right here. Shit is crazy wide. That's nice, bro. It barely fits in the parking spot. There's a bunch of nice cars out there today. I want that R34, bro. That shit's nice. You hardly see them. The R34 and R32. R34 sick, bro. The GT. That's a nice color, bro. Got another NSX right here. Shh, I ain't ballers. All these for are ballers. This cool little Mazda Slam. Got R32 right there. This Mercedes worth the money right there, bro. That should probably hella expensive. You never see those. Just the Hot Wheels. Cool little Honda. Bro, this shit's mint, bro. This thing's clean.
Yeah.
S2K.
My keeper said.
That thing's nice. I got Hot Wheel, bro. Oh, I think stalled out. This thing's sick. Skyline. You ever seen an S15 convertible? That shit is crazy, bro. Right hand drive. This shit's cool. You hardly see something like this. Has a little coyote tick. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today. Hopefully I got some good clips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys think about this vlog. Catch you guys later. Peace.